Hello friends, today's short story is The Gardener's Son. A father saw that his 11-year-old son was crying silently. He asked him, "What's the matter, son?" The young boy replied, "My rich classmates mocked, called me son of a gardener. They said that my father lives only on the money he earns from watering and feeding plants for people." The father paused for a moment, then said, "Come with me, son. Let's plant some flowers. It might cheer you up." He held his hand and walked him to the garden. Then he took out some flower seeds and said, "Let's carry out an experiment. We will plant two flowers separately. I will care for one, and you will care for the other. I will water mine with clean water from the lake, but you will water yours with dirty water from the pond. We shall see the outcome in the weeks to come." The son was delighted as he joined his father in planting the flowers. It took them some days to finally germinate the flower seeds. They cared for them respectively and watched them grow. Later on, the father brought his son to the garden and said to him, "Look at the two flowers and tell me your observation." The boy responded, "My flowers looks better and healthier than yours. How is that even possible when your water is cleaner?" The father smiled, then said, "That's because dirty water doesn't stop a plant from growing. Rather, it serves as organic fertilizer to help it flourish. You see, son, there are some people who put you down in life, mock your dreams, and throw dirt on you. Always remember that there is nothing wrong with you. It is their ego they have to satisfy. So don't let the harsh words from people affect you. Instead, let it encourage you into being a better person. And doing so, you will be like the plant and will flourish even in the midst of dirt, like negativity and harsh words. Have a great day. Thank you for listening to my stories.